Hello, Paul.
Hi there, Dee. We've switched to be outside now for this particular video because it's about our animal totem spirit.
Yes, I'm very excited about this workshop. Very different for us.
Yes, we're going to do it on Sunday, is that correct?
That's it.
Or actually, it will be Saturday night, UK time.
Yes, Sunday morning.
It's only a couple of hours, but we're going to pack in as much as we can with this workshop. I guess we better describe what we're doing, hey Dee?
Yes.
Well, with us being human beings, all life on our world, on our earth, is connected. And we are very connected to the animal kingdom. Genetically, so much of our genes would be corresponding to the same genes in animals. And they're like our brothers and sisters, our animal friends. And in terms of consciousness, there is that affinity and link as well, where all of us have some affinity with members of the animal kingdom. And so it is something from the shamanic tradition where we can discover that animal spirit which is most connected with us, that can help us with that instinctive quality which animals have and help us in our life.
That's right. And the only thing I would add to that is that because we have this consciousness, which we call natural law, is that we can actually connect to our own inner consciousness, our instincts, and our own very authentic natural selves. And we can actually find within it totems that are really representative of maybe milestones, maybe archetypes within ourselves that can really help us not only know who we are, but also serve as, as points of direction and points of integration, like what more do you need to put into your life? Different perspectives. It will be a very interesting 2-hour workshop, and we're quite excited about it, aren't we, Paul?
We are. We'll be doing some meditations, of course, with you to help you connect inwardly with your animal totem spirit. And hopefully it will be something from then on that you'll have available to you to be able to use as a resource in your life.
Yes. So once again, this workshop will be on Sunday, the 13th of December. It will be on at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, which will be the day before, or the night before, my apologies, at 9 p.m. Saturday, the 12th of December at 9 p.m. for our UK friends.
That's wonderful, Dee. Thank you for giving all of those times to our listeners. I'd love to have you come and join us.
Yes. See you soon.
Bye now.